Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Coach Chris coming at you on Saturday morning at 10:30 Central Time on October 2nd, 2024. I don't know if you all remember or saw the video I did last week where I told you that you better expect some big things happening in the prop firm, in the futures prop firm space coming up, either shortly or within the next year. Well, it's already started. Today I saw an ad from a company called tickticktrader. I actually do have some accounts with them. And what tickticktrader is, whoa, that's a little loud. Let me see if I can turn that down at all. I don't see where the volume is, unfortunately, on it. Tickticktrader is what's called a direct to funding account, prop firm, rather. Well, and I should preface this. They are a traditional prop firm. They do offer normal evals where you go through an evaluation process and then you get it upgraded and then you have to requalify all over again. Well, they do offer a more expensive product where you can go directly into what I call a PA account, because that's what Apex is in there, or an XFA. It's already a funded account. All you have to do is get that account up to a dollar amount, and then you're eligible for withdrawal. Okay, there's no evaluation period. Let's just say that. However you want to think about that. And let me just see. I want to get the volume down if I can, but I'm not sure if it's my machine or if it's this video. Hang on a second. There we go. That's a little better. So what they've announced, and they've been offering these direct accounts for a while. But what they announced today is that they are going to have these direct accounts on a platform called ProjectX. And ProjectX is exactly like TopStepX. And so what apparently this ProjectX company is doing is, excuse me, they're white labeling their software. In other words, let's just say XYZ prop firm wants to trade on this platform. They're going to pay that company a certain amount of money, and then they'll allow them to use that platform with, I call it a skin. You'll see this in other business areas, where a company will white label something. Let's just say it's a brokerage firm, and then other brokerage firms can use that same platform, just put their own name on it. You're dealing with company X as if it's an individual company, and it is for all practical purposes. They're just licensing someone else's software to actually facilitate the interface between them and what it is you want to accomplish. And so here's what they're saying. This is on their Instagram account, tickticktrader. ProjectX is now live on tickticktrader. I haven't found a link yet to sign up directly with it, but I've only just saw this recently. To celebrate, we're launching the best direct accounts in the industry. No minimum trading days to withdrawal anytime, clear path to a live funded account, and that's going to be key. You're going to start seeing that more and more because the CME, the Commodities Mercantile Exchange, I believe it is going to be cracking down on prop firms that are not truly prop firms. In other words, the whole purpose of a prop firm is to evaluate a trader and then put them into a live trading account. Well, this isn't happening. Even like if you look at a company like TopStep, which is probably the best company in my opinion, you're in an evaluation simulated account initially. Once you pass that simulated account, you go into an XFA, which is eligible for withdrawal, but it's still not a live account. It's still a simulated environment. And then after a period where you can prove yourself in that environment, then you get upgraded to a live funded account, okay? So there is a clear path And also, Apex now is saying they have a clear path. And so, what I'm assuming they're doing is they're upgrading a higher percent of their PA traders that have been successful into a live account. Because up till now, I've not heard of many Apex traders being put into live account. There's no scaling rule and no end of day drawdown. Trading view charts, real-time market depth, DOM. This is a game changer. Use coupon TT funded and get 50% off new accounts. So here we're starting to see what I was talking about with the new innovations coming out. And obviously this is the first of many. I think we're going to see things that we never dreamed possible. I think we're going to start seeing companies get into this that we never thought were going to get into the prop firm space. Recently, Robinhood allowed you to trade futures. Could that company get into something like this? You just never know, but you are going to see some major, major changes. And I think it's good for the industry. It's going to keep companies that are just fly-by-night money scams out of it. And it's going to force the good companies to get even better and clean up their acts. So there you have it. tickticktrader ProjectX, now live. Coach Chris out. We'll talk to you soon.